Good morning to all of you. So today in this video we will cover other three types of chemical reactions. So in the previous video I told you about the two types of reaction. First one is combination and other is decomposition reaction. Combination is a when two or more reactants combine to form one product is called combination reaction, whereas decomposition reaction when one reactant decomposes to form two or more products. So in this video the third type of reaction is displacement reaction. Okay, displacement reaction. So what is displacement reaction? The reaction in which most reactive element displaces the less reactive element. Okay, so this is displacement. What is it is clear from the name that one element displaces other, that is takes the place of other element. Okay, so example is ZnCuSO4, that is Zn zinc copper sulfate to give zinc sulfate plus copper. Okay, as we know that copper is less reactive. Copper is less reactive than zinc. Okay, therefore it displaces copper from the copper sulfate solution and you will get zinc sulfate solution. So this is all about displacement reaction. Now next is double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction. So double displacement reaction means displacement occurs two times, that is double displacement reaction. So the reaction in which the ions exchange double displacement reaction, the reaction in which the ions exchange between two different solutions. This is a double displacement reaction. So its example is Na2SO4 plus, that is sodium sulfate plus barium chloride to give barium sulfate plus sodium chloride. Okay, so this is a double displacement reaction. As we see in the example, the Ba displaces the sodium from its solution, whereas the sodium displaces barium in its solution. So this is a double displacement reaction. So what is double displacement reaction? In which ions exchange among the two or between the two solutions. Okay, so this is a double displacement reaction. Next is precipitates. Precipitates, what are precipitates? Precipitates are the insoluble material. Okay, insoluble material in the solution. Okay, so barium sulfate is always formed in the form of precipitates form. Okay, so this reaction is also an example of precipitation reaction, because after reacting both these reactant we will get barium sulfate, which is a precipitate. Okay, barium sulfate is a precipitate. Next is redox reactions. So what are redox reactions? Redox reactions are those in which oxidation and reduction occurs at same time. Okay, so these are the oxidation. So what is redox reaction? Redox means ki red means ki reduction, ox means ki oxidation. Okay, so redox means the reaction in which oxidation and reduction occurs at same time. So what is oxidation reaction? So what is oxidation reaction? Oxidation is addition of oxygen. Okay, so this is a definition of oxidation reaction, whereas reduction is loss of oxygen. This is a oxygen. Loss of oxygen. So oxidation is addition of oxygen, whereas reduction is loss of oxygen. ठीक है, and both these reactions, ठीक है, the reaction in which both these occurs is called redox reaction. So example of redox reaction is copper oxide plus hydrogen to give copper plus water. As you see in this reaction that copper oxide, that after reacting both these elements the copper loses oxygen, so it reduced. Okay, whereas hydrogen gains oxygen, so oxidation is occurred here. Is it clear to you? And so this is all about your reactions, and if you have any doubt you can ask me. So have a nice day.